Hi, this is Prasanna from Trade Zone, and thank you so much for watching this video. So it's been a while ever since I posted my last video. I'm not a guy who want to give you like continuous videos and publish too many things and confuse your trading methodology. Rather, I just stick on to some kind of strong logics, and I just want to share that information along with you people. So this video is about stock options certainly, and we gonna talk about the jackpot trades which happens each and every month towards the end after the last week of the what to say the option expiry week. For let's say this month end, it's like expiry is around 29th of April, so we still got 8 more days in the kit, and we can plan our trades accordingly. Mostly I do plan my trades after 18th or 19th, so that you have like 1 week of time. Even it's 25th or 26th your last date, from then you need to start watching the stocks which have some kind of consolidations or breakouts happening. So you need to take some risk. This is more like a hero or zero kind of strategies. So let's say for an investment of 20k, we can certainly make around 80 to 1 lakh of profit within a week of time. I'm not joking, this is for real. This happens for every week, every last week of the month, and you can find n number of stocks happening. But we have to be very clear with our price action techniques, which we have already discussed in some of the earlier videos. Please have a reference of the breakout patterns so that you'll definitely understand what I'm talking about. So this video, first I'm going to share the example of my previous month's analysis and how it has worked. And it's I have like series of analysis, but let me share only the last month one so that you'll be having a better understanding. So last month of March, we had a Manappuram Finance. I do certainly trade only on one-day chart or weekly chart patterns, and those breakouts certainly. So this 19th of March, so last month it was like March 25th was the last expiry day. So we just sticked on to 22nd of March. So even if you had an entry on 22nd of March, you could have certainly made some great money. So see, whenever you see some breakouts, and I see the levels as very simple. It has to be the bottom or the support levels, immediate support levels, so that you can't just, or some numbers like 5% away from the current strike value. That is actually the way I usually trade it, because if you just expect more, it will happen, but it will not happen in that certain week itself. So what we are going to do is like hero or zero kind of strategy. So we got to be very mostly certain, so that that particular point might reach in within the period of expiry time. So I think I'm pretty clear here. So if you have any queries, please post me in the messages. I'll try to reply that. Yeah. So for example, if a stock is breaking out here, so let's say it is like 160, so 156 to 160, so that's the place where you need to enter. Certainly 160 is a place where I love to enter, or 158 or 159. So once you see this candle, it's very pretty clear that you can do a entry on 23rd or 22nd, whichever trade. Either you can follow 15 minutes candle, 1 hour candle, or a 4 hours candle. That's up to you. But I generally say it's better to stick on to like 1 hour time frame, which is more reliable, or 4 hours time frame is more reliable. So whenever you have a better opportunity, just enter it, and your stop loss is above a proper candle close above this one. So wait for the 1 day chart, or else you can never win. So that's how we can actually trade this one. We have no other option. So I think your loss will be like, as the name suggests, it's hero or zero. So mostly it has to be like either this way or it's gonna be zero, because just imagine your profit is about 1 lakh. I'm not joking, it's about 1 lakh. So just say over here it is like 155 or 160, let's say. So for 160 minus 5 percentage, I'm expecting a fall of next 5 percentage in the next 5 trading days, so or few trading days. So I'm expecting it to come down to 152. So let's say March 25th, it just came down to 146. Imagine 146. Let's say even if I take 150 as my strike price. See, this is the Manappuram historical contract and stock options Manappuram, and 25th uh, was the last expiry date, and P was the position, and 150 was the strike price. So I could have entered this on around 8, somewhere around 40 paisa to 80 paisa. Certainly we could have a better opportunity, like let's say 0.50 or um, 0.50 could have been possible, and or 0.70. Let's take 0.70 as the entry price, and the lot size is 6,000. So it takes around 4,000 rupees. Generally, whatever maybe the stocks, uh, make sure the single lot size value is not crossing 4,000 rupees as cross. Just wait for that particular thing to happen, so that your entry is perfectly timed. Like it has to be like within 4,000 rupees per lot size. Per lot it has to be like 4,000 rupees. Within 4,000 rupees you can make 5 lots for 20,000 rupees. So try to make even more possible. Try to buy at lower levels as well if you are lucky, and make your average and try to have like 21,000 or 22,000. For 22,000, if you are making like 6 lots, then it's great. It's a great entry. And just imagine you just have like 3,500, and you can actually make 6 lots. It depends. So you should be clever enough to average between these levels, and just wait for till until the last date to finish it off. Definitely I would say just hold on until the value is, one single lot will reach approximately 3.25. So it has made a high of 3.25. We just paused out. So 3.25 is nothing but 3.25 into 6,000. So each lot will make around 18 to 19k or even 20k at times. Just keep a marker level like 18 to 19k. Once you see 18k also, it's fine. So 18k into 6 lots, you made your money. So 1 lakh is done. Just finished off. Don't even watch the trade. Just put your stop loss and keep trailing it. And so it will definitely work. This happens with most of the stocks. Mostly the retail traders are not aware of this kind of techniques. Monthly, once this happens, if you're very clever enough, you can actually find certainly a few number of stocks, like 5 stocks, let's say, and you can plan accordingly your trade for uh, 20,000 per stock, and you can have five stocks on place. Even if one or two goes wrong, imagine you can make 3 lakh and you lose only 40,000. So just imagine the money made. So it is a great technique, and many haven't noticed this kind of stock options ideas, and many won't discuss this because this is a jackpot theory. So just hold on to it. Even if you lose, it's just very small money. So you can just wait until you make a 15,000 of loss per trade, and when it comes to 5,000, just book your loss and come out. That's one way, or you can wait the entire way to zero. It's up to you, but this has been working for me for certainly long. So this has been working for me certainly for a longer period of time. So I think we can stick on to the current trade, which is Burger Paints, and I'm seeing some strong potential for this one now. I'm just finding there are regions for this trade. First, let me explain that. As I suggested, the volume profile has broken out, and it can minimum come down to 680 to 680 levels or 670 levels, 675 levels. So I would rather say 680 is the best entry for the put option levels. It will definitely come down over here, and as the chart suggests, the Burger Paints, we can just see. Certainly a breakout has happened, and yesterday we could have made a beautiful entry, and this is a place where we can actually wait for the best entries, and we could have done a great entry over here near 730, and just wait for the 730 minus 5%. Just 5% is enough. You can actually make your money. 730 minus 5%. Just this is to find your exact what to say strike price. To just have your exact strike price, you can have this. So 693. So just wait for your correct entry 3. So 693. So rather you can go for 680 put options, so which is around 6 rupees now. But let's see how tomorrow what price it is getting traded. Approximately like this, like I said, the thumb rule, it has to be like 4,000 rupees per contract, and make sure your pricing is correct amount that part, and certainly it will come. My expectation, it will come down until 675. If you have a strong will, you can go for 670 put option as well, or 680 put option is a great entry. Definitely it will come down to this part, and the current price is 710. So I'm just calculating based on that. 710 minus 35 points gives you like 675. So you can calculate for 675 and just wait for the current levels. So that's it for guys. That's it for today. So this stock options is gonna be a jackpot trading methodology. So if you have any queries, just post it to me. I'll definitely answer. um, this is a great technique, and it's a hidden secret for many strong retailers guys, and they don't share it across. It's a jackpot kind of trade. It's hero zero. That's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe this channel, and thanks for the support. Thank you.